Question number first. What is the extension name of MS Excel file? Option A X LSX. Option B dot XLWS. Option C dot DOC. Option D dot XL. The correct option is option A dot XLSX. Next, where rows and column meets are known as option A box, option B rectangle, option C block, option D cell. The correct option is option D cell. Next, in Excel, which symbol must all formula begin with? Option A @ option B equal, option C first bracket, option D asterisk marks. The correct option is option B equal. Fourth, Excel workbook is a collection of option A chart, option B page, option C worksheets, option D workbook. The correct option is option C worksheet. The first cell in the Excel worksheet is labeled as A1, option B A2, A1A, option C A0, option D AA. The correct option is option A A1. Which of the following is not the term of Excel MS Excel? Option A column, option B cell, option C row, option D document. The correct option is option D document. To select an entire column of MS Excel, option A Ctrl plus S, option B Ctrl plus A, option C Ctrl plus X, option D none of above. The correct option is option B Ctrl plus A. What is the signal of multiplication in MS Excel? What is the signal of multiplication in MS Excel? Option A greater than option B, less than option C, slash, option D asterisk. The correct option is asterisk. Option D is asterisk. Which chart can be created in MS Excel? Option A pie chart, option B bar chart, option C line chart, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option D all of the above. Question number 10. In order to perform a calculation in a spreadsheet, we need to use option A table, option B field, option C formula, option D variable. The correct option is option C formula. Hyperlinks can be with option A text, option B picture, option C drawing object, option D all of the above. The correct option is option D all of the above. Hyperlinks can be with all of the above. What happens when we press Ctrl plus right arrow together. Option A, we will see the last column of the worksheet. Option B, we will see the middle column of the worksheet. Option C, we will see the last row of the worksheet. And option D, all of the above. The correct option is option A, we will see the last column of the worksheet. What happens when we press Ctrl plus down arrow key together? Option A, we will see the last column of the worksheet. Option B, we will see the middle row of the worksheet. Option C, we will see the last row of the worksheet. Option D, all of the above. The correct option is option C, we will see the last row of the worksheet. In Excel 2021, what is the name of the last column? Option A, XD. Option B, XER. Option C, XFD. Option D, none of the above. The correct option is option C, XFD. In Excel 2021, what is the number of last row? Option A, 48,575. Option B, 50,000. Option C, 75,000. Option D, 10 lakhs 48,576. The correct option is option D, 10 lakhs 48,576. By default, how many number of worksheets are open in a workbook? Option A 10, option B 4, option C 5, option D 3. The correct answer is option D 3. Which setting we must modify to print a worksheet using a letterhead? Option A paper, option B layout, option C margin, option D orientation. The correct option is option C margin. How many characters can be typed in a single cell? Option A 30,000, option B 60,000, option C 32,767, option D 30,700. The correct answer is option C 32,767. Excel display the current cell address in the option A status bar, option B title bar, option C formula bar, option D name bar. The correct answer option is option D name bar. What is the shortcut key to hide certain row or certain column? Option plus dash, CTRL plus dash. Option A CTRL plus dash. Option B CTRL plus H. Option C CTRL plus R. Option D CTRL control plus 9. The correct option is option A, Control plus dash. Control Ctrl plus dash.